We're here with the Whiteline Civic Type R, and this is a main bit of kit. Now this has been fitted with the Whiteline GS1 kit, which is an alternative to going down the path of coilovers. What it's going to comprise of is the Whiteline sway bars, Whiteline lowering springs, and to give you that lowered stance but also improved handling that you get from coilovers without the harshness that is associated to coilovers. Now this thing is sitting absolutely mint, and I'm going to get the boys to take me for a drive so we can see how it goes.